Alright, hey YouTube, this is Lone Common Anime, bringing you another video. Oh, what's this? It's down here. Ah, strange. Says from the post office, AB76 A3A. One shopping centre. This could be like an interesting box. Quite interesting. So guys, I wonder what this could be. See, post office, and it says one shopping centre. What? Nothing else in there. Leave that box aside. I wonder what this could be. Okay guys, so just gonna set my camera up here, see what it is. Well, no, I'll put it this way. Okay guys, let's unwrap it and have a look at what it is. Oh my god, it's Modern Warfare 3. Whoa, 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 what's Modern Warfare 3 guys? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Modern Warfare 3. Guy. Whoa. Modern Warfare 3. Look. Oh my. Can't believe we've got Modern Warfare 3 guys. Let's have a look at the inside. Now, so we've got a £25, £30, and look, Modern Warfare 3, it's disc series, everything. Oh, and I got the special edition, £25 at £20. That's some money there, it's £45. Whoa guys, it looks like I'll be bringing you a gameplay on Modern Warfare 3. It's not supposed to come out for another month, it looks like I've got it early. 3, very interesting. Whoa, God, I didn't see that coming, just out of the post office. Modern Warfare 3. Oh, I'm going to have to go do a gameplay of this thing. Whoa, jeez. No, I dropped my phone in excitement. I did not see that coming, guys. Yo, look at that. Open out one more for you guys. See, there's a disc right there. Disc is right there. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. £25 and £20. Look at that. Jeez. Box looks pretty good. Pretty nifty condition there. I like Modern Warfare. You can't fool us. Modern Warfare 3. Like that just came in this cling film box. Oh my god guys, I'm gonna have to bring you a gameplay now. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time on Lone Common Internet with Roll Upstairs and play it. Okay, bye.